Okay, come to the Harry Potter store. Here we are, let's go and have a look in it. Probably can't film again, but I'll try and see what I can do. It's in Shinjuku, Tokyo. I can't see no cameras up to now. So what we got here? Wants magic glasses. Oh, we've got everything here. Oh look, there's a Harry Potter hat, 13,000. There's the train. I forget what it's called. Oh, she never told you off for filming, that's good. I thought she was going to come and tell you off for filming. There was a film. Yeah, there was a online. Oh, look at that jigsaw, look. Wow, that's good, isn't it? Bet George will want that. I'll buy that for George. Not a kidding, George, if you're watching this. Yes, I thought there was a display sort of thing as well. I wonder if that's in a different bit. Maybe upstairs. I wonder if there's another bit to this place. Maybe that's what you buy. Is that where you buy tickets maybe? Or is that the checkout? The checkout. Remember I saw it on the video. Thank you. A jigsaw, look. Konnichiwa. Oh, should I get a robe? Trying to get him away. Dark mark. A Harry Potter bag. Look at this. It must be in a different place. So even a Harry Potter fan that wants some merchandise, this is a place to be. There's a wand. There you go, look at that wand. I'll do it like a sword. Thought it was a samurai then. So, is this it? I thought there was another bit here. Where's this? That's where I need to go. Well, that was the Harry Potter shop. We're in the wrong place. That was the Harry Potter shop. But anyway, you saw some Harry Potter goods, so that's good. So this will just be a very short video because the Harry Potter studio is somewhere else, and I think it's miles and miles and miles away. I'll put a link in the description of where this is. There you go. Better get my thumbnail, eh? Hang on, did it wrong. Where are we? Where are we? I can't get it right. Come here. There it is. Harry Potter store. You got me in it. Oh. So coffee. Tully's coffee's not bad. They got lovely hot chocolate in Tully's coffee, by the way. Right. Haven't they, Kieran? Lovely hot chocolate. Kieran got one in there once, and it was amazing. Walking around for a bit.